Hi, and here's a short tutorial to show you how to insert a picture into Word. Now, the reason I'm explaining this is that Word has a couple of little nuances which makes it tricky to move and manipulate a picture once you've inserted it. Here's our page. I'm going to insert a picture just here, and to do this I've already got a picture saved, so I'm just going to right click and then I'm just going to paste the picture in. Okay, so there's a picture. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller just by dragging from the side. What you'll notice is that this picture has been inserted and a little menu comes up to the right hand side, a dialog box with the words layout options, and automatically Word inserts the picture in line with text. What does this mean? Well, if we wanted to move this picture further down, you can see that as far down as my text will go, the picture will not move. I can't move it to the center, for example. It's just in line with the text that's already there, and in this case there's a few little paragraphs that are hidden. So what I'd like to do is move this around, and to do this my preferred option is to use the through option. If I click through, you can now see that I can move this image around wherever I want to. And you'll notice on this new version of Word there are some handy guides which will show you when it's centered, for example, and when it's in the middle of the page. We get a little green crosshair. The other options we have are we can insert square to the text. So I'm going to select square. Now when we move this, you'll see that it's creating a square around the text, which is exactly what it's supposed to. The other option we have is we can say tight, which means that the text will go tight around the image. If you look closely here, you'll see that in our logo there are some elements that the picture doesn't reach, and the text fills those spaces. We can also move it top and bottom, and in this case the text automatically goes to the top and the bottom of the image, and we can drag and move this around. Another option we have is we can go behind the text, which in this case has hidden the image, and we can also go in front of the text. Again, we can put the image in front of the text if we need to. As I say, my preference is to use the through, but this is not the default setting, and hence why we're showing you this tutorial, because often I'm asked by delegates, how on earth do I move this image? And actually it's fairly simple. If you wanted to do this from the menu, this is possible. We just simply go up to our picture tools at the top, click format, and then the wrap text options will all appear. As I mentioned, the default is left. What we can do now that we've got through is we can set this default layout, which means next time you insert the image, it will be, in our case, using the through, because that was the last one that we saved it as. Quite handy to know, and will save you time next time you insert a picture. Hope this has been useful. Thanks now.